Good morning, children. How are you? I hope all of you are fine. Children, nowadays you have to wash your hand frequently. You can wash your hand with soap and rub your hands 20 to 40 seconds properly and then wash it. You can use sanitizer also. Rub sanitizer 2-3 drops on your hands and let them dry. And whenever you go outside from your house, then you have to use mask. Okay, you have to make it habit. In this way you will be safe. So children, in English class today I am going to start new chapter, crying, and this is a poem. So now see, this is a picture of a boy and he is crying, and our poem is also crying. And before start poem, I am going to ask questions. Tell me, what are emotions? Yes, tell me. Emotions are short, intense feelings. What are emotions? Now repeat it. Emotions are short, intense feelings. Okay, children? Now see, here are different faces which show different emotions. Now see, the first, scared. It shows scared. And second one, the face showing happiness. So this is happy face, and this face shows sad emotions, and this is angry expression, excited expression, and worried. When you are sometime worried, then you express like this. And this is surprised. When you see any amazing things, then you got surprised. And silly, frustrated, these are the different face expressions. Now see, every human beings experiences different emotions. These are different emotions: sad, happy, silly, surprised, and worried. These are the different face expressions. Children, before starting the poem, now I am going to ask some more questions. First of all, see, this is a poem, and Galway Kinnell is the poet of this poem. Galway Kinnell is the poet of the poem Crying. Okay? What do you do when you don't get anything you want? अगर आप कोई चीज चाहते हैं, आपको नहीं मिलती है, तो what do you do? You start crying? Yes. And how do you react when somebody hurts you? When somebody hurts you, कोई आपको चोट पहुंचा देता है, तो क्या होता है? Then you start crying. And what do you do when somebody hits you? When sometime somebody hits you, then you also start crying. What do you do when you feel like crying? जब आपको लगता है कि हमें रोना है, तो what do you do? You should crying a lot. So in this poem, we will learn what do you do when we feel crying. Our poem is Crying. Read and enjoy the poem. So first of all, recite it. Crying only a little bit is no use. You must cry until your pillow is soaked. Then you can jump in the shower and splash, splash, splash. In this stanza, poet is saying, crying only little bit is no use. Little bit means थोड़ा सा रोना. थोड़े से रोने से कोई फायदा नहीं है. You must cry until your pillow is soaked. इतना रोइए कि आपका पिलो जो है वो बिल्कुल गीला हो जाए. Your pillow is soaked. Soaked means absorb करना. जो हम when you crying, then you show your tears, and with your tears the pillow should be soaked. Okay? After that, what you have to do? Then you can jump in the shower and splash, splash, splash. जब बहुत आप रो लेते हैं, उसके बाद आप जाइए and you take a shower और उसमें खूब जंप करिए, splash करिए, and in this way you can show your happiness. Now see in next stanza, what is poet saying? After that, after having shower, what you have to do? Then you can throw open your window and ha ha ha. Then you can throw open your window. अपना विंडो खोल करके what you have to do? Ha 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 ha. You have to laugh loud. And if people say, hey, what's going on up there? और जब आप विंडो खोल के हंसेंगे तो जो लोग नीचे होंगे वो आपसे पूछेंगे, hey, what is going on up there? अरे ऊपर क्या हो रहा है भाई? Then what you have to do? You again say, ha ha, you laugh aloud, sing back. Happiness was hiding in the last tears. I wept it, ha ha. Means happiness जो था वो हमारे लास्ट ईयर्स में छिपा हुआ था और मैंने रो करके सब अपने दुख को खत्म कर दिया है. Now I am happy. Now I am feeling happy. समझ में आया? तो this is your poem. And can you tell me, after crying, what do you feel? You feel relaxed. सारा टेंशन खत्म हो जाता है ना? तो जब आपको रोने का मन करे तो आप बहुत सारा रो लीजिए कि आपका मन हल्का हो जाए, आपका स्ट्रेस खत्म हो जाए. ओके? सो बेटा, पोएट ऑफ दिस पोएम इज मैंने बताया था ना, गैल्वे किनेल. एंड सी हियर, ही इज गैल्वे किनेल. ही इज पोएट ऑफ दिस पोएम. Now learn the name of this poet. Okay? Now here some questions and new words. See, new words. First word is soaked. Soaked means completely wet. Completely wet. Shower. Shower means bath in which water is spread from above. सबके वॉशरूम में लगा था ना शावर, ऊपर उसमें से पानी आता है जब आप नहाते हैं तो. ओके, तो bath in which water is spread from above. Third one is wept. Shed tears or cried. Wept means wept जो है weep का past tense है. Soaked, soak का past tense है. Okay? So wept means shed tears or cried. These are the new words and its meaning. Learn it and write it in your English classwork copy. Okay? Now let us discuss some question answers. According to the poet, should you cry a little or should you cry a lot? Yes? Tell me. In the poem already you have read it. Yes. According to the poet, we should cry a lot. Okay? इसका आंसर क्या होगा? According to the poet, We should cry a lot. Now, next one. What can you do after crying a lot? जब हम लोग बहुत रो लेते हैं तो उसके बाद क्या कर सकते हैं? What can you do after crying a lot? After crying a lot, we should take shower and jump and feel happy. Okay? Now see, next one. Read the first two lines of the poem. जो पोएम थी ना, उसकी आप कुछ लाइनें ऊपर की पढ़ सकते हैं और आप बता सकते हैं कि पोएट इसमें कैसा फील कर रहा है ना? सो लेट्स सी द आंसर क्वेश्चन एंड फर्स्ट you have to read the lines. Crying only a little bit is no use. You must cry until your pillow is soaked. Now see the answer. This here. Here is your question. Read the first two lines of the poem. Is the mood happy, sad, angry, jealous, upset? तो कैसा मूड था उसका? सैड. पहले उसका मूड कैसा था? सैड. यू कैन राइट अपसेट ऑल्सो. दोनों का मीनिंग लगभग सेम है. बोथ आर हैविंग द सेम मीनिंग. ओके. तो in the first two lines of the poem, the mood is sad. In second, in the last two lines, the mood of the poet has changed. And what is now? जब उसका मूड चेंज हो गया था तो कैसा था? Yes. Last few lines, the mood of the poet is very happy. Is very happy. Okay? So you have to encircle it. And you can encircle cheerful also. Cheerful means be happy. है ना? Okay. So now next there are some right wrong. First, the poet says you must not cry much. Yes, tell me, this is right or wrong? The poet says you must not cry much. This is wrong. So we can write here W. W for wrong. Okay. Next, the poet says that you should cry till your pillow soaked. Is it correct? Yes, it is right. So we can write here R. R for right. Third one, the poet says that after crying, you should open the window and laugh so that people will see that you are happy. Is it correct? Yes, it is right. So we can write here R. We will write here R. It is wrong. Right, sorry. Now, last one. The poet says that you should open the window and show people that you are crying. Yes, tell me. It is wrong. So, we can write here W. We can write here W. This is wrong. Okay, beta? So, we can write here W. Now, learn these question answers and do it in your classwork copy. Okay, beta? Take care. Bye-bye. Have a nice day.